Ddydd Llun yr unfed.
On Monday, the 11th of December, we will be commemorating Llywelyn ap Gruffydd, or Llywelyn ein Llyw Olaf, Llywelyn the Last. Llywelyn was the first to be acknowledged Prince of Wales, and through the Treaty of Montgomery in 1287, the King of England had to acknowledge that he was the leader of Wales and that Wales was an independent country to all intents and purposes. Now, Llywelyn did introduce a civil service and taxation and a system to Wales, but this did not mean that he did not lose and had to return to his stronghold in Gwynedd, having lost ground. After a rebellion and an attack on Hawarden Castle, he had to return there, having lost his grounds. But the rebellion came to an end 6 months later, Llywelyn having been separated from his 7,000-strong army and being killed in Kilmary by one of Edward I's soldiers. His head was sent to the king in London and was paraded through the streets of London to be shown to the people of the city before being left upon an iron post outside the Tower of London. Within months, Gwynedd lost all its royal insignia and Wales lost its status for the time. I will be wearing ivy on Monday, and I would suggest that you should all do so in memory and commemoration of Llywelyn ap Gruffydd, and to commemorate that the spirit is still alive.